Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Netflix app freezing. So to fix this, there is some solutions. The first one is to be sure that your app is up to date, and to check that you have to go to the App Store and look for Netflix and check. For example, my app Netflix is up to date, because if it was not up to date, instead of open, it will show me update, and in this case I need to update it. And the second thing what you can try is to go to the settings of your phone. After that, go to general. After that, go to iPhone storage. And after that, look for Netflix here. And here you can try to offload the app. Click offload app. And as you can see there, I have also some downloaded videos. Like sometimes you need to try to offload your app and get rid from all the data. And the next option is to check if your internet is working properly. And if your internet is not working properly, it may be cause also for your Netflix app to freeze. And the last solution, if all these are not working, is to delete the Netflix app. You have just to long press on it and remove it, delete the app. And after deleting the app, you have to install it again. And normally by this, all your problems with your Netflix app will be solved. I hope that you liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.